In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Outlook 365 efficiently. Whether you're trying to locate an important email thread or simply searching for a specific message, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to Outlook 365. Open your web browser and type in the URL to access Outlook 365's login page. Once there, you will see an option to sign in, typically located towards the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign in to proceed. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials. This will be your Outlook email address and your password. If you're logging in for the first time or on a new device, you might be asked for additional verification, but once you've completed this, you'll be ready to move on. Now that you're signed in, you'll be automatically directed to your Outlook Mail homepage. This is where all your emails are typically housed, and from here you can access additional features like your calendar, contacts, and task lists. For today's focus, make sure you're in the Mail section. This should display your inbox and any subfolders you've organized. The next step is accessing the search feature, which is conveniently located at the top of the page. You'll find a search bar prominently placed at the top center of the screen, just above where your list of emails begins. Clicking on the search bar will activate it, allowing you to type in what you're searching for. This could be a keyword from an email, the name of a contact, or even a date related to an email you're trying to find. As you begin typing your query, you'll notice that Outlook 365 provides suggestions based on your input. These suggestions aim to help streamline your search by offering options you might be looking for based on your past search behavior, contacts, or commonly searched terms. It's a way to ensure you can quickly locate what you're looking for. Once you're satisfied with your search input, press the Enter key to initiate the search. Outlook 365 will sift through your mails, presenting you with a list of potential matches. Scroll through this list to find the email or emails you're interested in. You can refine searches using specific keywords or by utilizing filters such as emails from a particular sender or with attachments only. Remember, practice makes perfect with these kinds of tools. The more you familiarize yourself with searching within Outlook, the more intuitive and faster the process will become. It's an essential skill for anyone who navigates through a high volume of emails daily, ensuring that nothing gets lost or overlooked in your inbox. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use the search function in Outlook 365, a powerful tool designed to keep your email management efficient and your communication streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and on top of your emails.